This is me before using my dandruff treatment, and this is after. Today I'm going to show you how I have been treating my dandruff step by step. Before we get started, here's what my scalp looks like before this treatment. You can literally see the flakes falling from my scalp. This is why I have to wash my hair every single week just to feel clean and calm the itch. Dandruff is so uncomfortable. The constant scratching, the tight feeling on your scalp, those white flakes that show up on your black clothes when you least expect it. And my dandruff is also the reason why I cannot keep my protective styles for longer than 2 weeks. Yeah, because usually after 2 weeks my scalp will be itching and then I really need to wash my hair. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people struggling with dandruff to find this video. So let me show you the first treatment that I've used. This is the Blue Skincare Keratin Reducing Emollient Treatment for Dandruff. It's also designed for scaly plaques, rough patches, flaky scalps. It's also perfect for psoriasis prone or dandruff prone skin. It has lactic acid, gluconolactone, prebiotics, and something special called bionacre, which is a mother of pure extract that regenerates the skin. It's fragrance-free, 99% natural, and super gentle on the scalp. Let me show you exactly how I use it. I start by opening sections of my hair to expose my scalp, and then I squeeze a small amount of the treatment directly on my scalp, focusing on the area where I get the most flakes. The texture is super light and refreshing, not greasy or sticky at all. After applying it, I then massage it into my scalp and with my fingertips, and then I let it sit for about 25 minutes so the exfoliating acids can break down the flakes and soften any rough patches. So here's why this product is so powerful. The lactic acid gently exfoliates dead skin cells without irritating the scalp. The gluconolactone helps renew the skin surface. The prebiotics balance the scalp microbiome, which means less itching and less flaking over time. And then the bionacre nourishes and repairs the skin barrier. And the best part, it calms the itch instantly and keeps flakes from coming back. Because this treatment needs like a rinse, so I usually do it like on my wash days. But if I feel like itching in between my wash days, I use the UHT thermal water spray. I'm going to show you at the end of this video how I use it. So after letting the Blue Skincare dandruff treatment sit for 25 minutes, I then rinse it out. And this is how I do it. I just first rinse it out with only water, no shampoo first, and just make sure that the product is gone. And then after that, I then go in with my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Baobab Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. The shampoo is amazing for dry hair, low porosity hair. It hydrates without stripping because it also does not contain any sulfate. I make sure to gently massage my scalp to lift away all the loosened flakes and any residue. After rinsing out the shampoo, I apply my Garnier conditioner. I love this one because it also softens my strands and makes detangling super easy. I leave it on for a few minutes and then I rinse it thoroughly. Now that my scalp is clean, I still have to keep my hair moisturized. I go in with my moisturizing routine as usual. I apply my African Pride leave-in conditioner. It contains coconut oil and baobab oil. This keeps my hair soft and also hydrated. And to seal in all the moisture, I use my good old castor oil, my favorite. It locks in moisture and gives my scalp an extra soothing layer. And after drying my hair, this is how my scalp looks. No flex, no tightness, just a clean, calm scalp. I part my hair in different sections so you can really see it. No dandruff inside. The craziest part, after the first use of the blue skincare emollient, I didn't see dandruff again for 3 weeks. I even stretched my wash day for 2 whole weeks so that I can see if it works or not. And that was impossible before. I always have to wash my hair every week because of the dandruff. So I'm glad that this is working for me. Now I use this like every week to keep my scalp healthy and my flakes away. Sometimes when I feel a little bit of itch coming back between wash days, I grab my secret weapon, the Uriage DS Thermal Water Spray. This one is so quick and easy. No rinsing required. I just spray it directly on my scalp and then I massage it in a little bit and I'm good to go. It instantly calms any itchiness and instantly removes the dandruff and refreshes my scalp. If you don't have time for your full treatment, this is a lifesaver. So that's my full dandruff busting routine. If you struggle with dandruff on your natural hair, I hope this helps you as much as it helped me. And let me know in the comment section, do you deal with dandruff too, and what products have you tried? Drop your tips below so we can help each other out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.